So you're thinking about moving to Pittsburgh? In this video, I'm going to show you all around the cultural district in downtown Pittsburgh. I'll take you through some neighborhoods and show you different homes so you can see what may fit with your budget. And if you stick around to the end, I'll share with you a market report so you know exactly what's happening with the real estate market here in downtown Pittsburgh. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything about living in Pittsburgh, then subscribe below and tap that bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about our current market here in Pittsburgh. I'm Krista Lorenzo with Coldwell Banker, and I get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking for help on making their move to Pittsburgh, and I absolutely love it. Whether you're moving in 1 week or 1 year, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email so I can help you make a smooth move to Pittsburgh. Today we are here at the Benedum Center in the Cultural District in downtown Pittsburgh, and we're going to see hairspray. Downtown used to be Pittsburgh's business hub, but it has become so much more. More people than ever call it home, and it's a go-to destination for arts, nightlife, shopping, and dining. It's also where most visitors become acquainted with the city. More than just iconic and historic skyscrapers, downtown is a recreation destination with green spaces like Point State Park, riverfront trails, as well as kayaking and boating on the three rivers. Point State Park is home to Point State Park Fountain, which sits at the convergence where the Monongahela and Allegheny rivers form the Ohio River. Downtown Pittsburgh is surrounded by the Hill District, the Strip District, and across the rivers, the North Shore and South Side. You can check out those videos on this channel as well. Downtown is served by the Port Authority's light rail subway system, locally known as the T, an extensive bus network, and two inclines, the Duquesne and the Monongahela. Downtown is also home to the Pittsburgh Amtrak train station, which connects Pittsburgh with New York City, Philadelphia, Washington, D.C., Cleveland, Chicago, and more. And right across the street is the Greyhound bus station. Pittsburgh is nicknamed the City of Bridges. In downtown alone, there are 10 bridges. Citywide, there are 446, and countywide, there are 2,200. So the Cultural District is a 14 square block area along Penn and Liberty along the Allegheny River. The area includes numerous theaters, galleries, and concert halls like Heinz Hall, Byam Theater, O'Reilly Theater, Benedum Center, August Wilson Center for African American Culture, Wood Street Galleries, and tons of restaurants and housing. The area is managed by the Pittsburgh Cultural Trust, which was formed in 1984 at the vision of Jack Hines. Today, the 14 square block area continues to transform and flourish as a dynamic arts and residential neighborhood with more than 14 art venues, public parks and plazas, and new commercial developments. The Pittsburgh Cultural Trust applies a holistic approach and vision to urban redevelopment, streetscaping programs, facade restorations, new facilities, public open spaces, and art projects. On top of all the amazing arts and performances here, the food is amazing. It's home to so many of our favorites like Gaucho, Con Alma, Proper, Social House, Eagle, Meat and Potatoes, and so many more. Our average sales price is just over $308,000, so about $386 a square foot, and most sellers are getting right around 97% of their asking price. And down here, that's probably a 1-bedroom, 1-bath unit for that price. So before we head in, let's go check it out. And like I said, whether you're moving in 1 week or 1 year, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email so I can help you make a smooth move to Pittsburgh. Until next time, I hope to show you around town. Let's go.